So I'm going to give you my take on the bouncing dart activity from the old Conceptual Physics lab manual, where they have a dart that bounces off something and then also sticks to it. My version, I have a little PVC pipe with a rubber ball on each end, and after doing some demonstrations with a skateboard that I posted about last year, I give them this puzzle. So I have this battering ram, and I want to see if I can knock down this board. And so I put the board right next to the battering ram, I pull it back a certain distance, and I let go, and it knocks the board over. Now I'm just going to put it to the other side, which has the same rubber ball, mass is the same, constructed the same, it's level. I'm going to pull it back about the same amount, and whoops, and it doesn't knock it over. So I challenge the students to come up with why, and usually they're pretty puzzled because they sort of focus on the board. And so sometimes we have to do it again, but I ask them to focus more on the battering ram. And so on the side where it knocks it over, they can see that it bounces when it impacts the board, and then over here, not so much. And so going back to the skateboard demonstration, I throw a medicine ball and it makes me recoil. I catch a medicine ball, it makes me recoil. But when I catch and then throw it back, I recoil much further. And that's what's going on here. The board catches the ball and throws it back. Where on the other side, pretty much just a catch. And so it doesn't bounce as much. If there is a throw, it's a very wimpy throw. And so we all know, the students don't know, but we all know why this side is bouncy and this side isn't. It's because I have one of these cheap bouncy balls that only bounces 100 times. And so this one, I've used up all the bounces. So I have one here I bounced 98 times before I did the video. So there's 99, 100, and then now it's all out of bounces. Now you know it's 2, and they're called happy sad balls, and we know which one is a happy one. This one, right? It's happy to stay wherever it is, whereas this one's just never satisfied.